is an animal call, cutting through the darkness, bouncing off the walls, between teeth on a broken jaw, following a blood trail, frothing out the mall. And these days I'm a circuit board, integrated hardware you cannot afford. The perfect start to a perfect war, putting down the roses and picking up the sword. Aqua, Regia, Aqua, Regia. My past is a holy book, a call from Olympus, ringing off the hook. Between pain and the way you look, I'm stuck in a time where the mountain shook. And these days I'm a picture frame, screaming at the sunshine, singing in the rain. Sugar on the blood cells, carbon on the brain. Out of Eden's vices running through my veins. Aqua, Regia, oxytocin running in the ether. Silicon, ballrooms, subatomic interactions if it's all good. Gold rush, acid flux, saturate me, I can't get enough. Cold love, hot blood, run into your heart where you're thinking of. Dancing to alarm bells, no wonder my ears are still ringing. And I'm done fighting of change, no wonder my arms are still swinging.